In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management. We'll walk through creating a new project using one of Asana's built-in project management templates. This is a great way to get started quickly because the structure is already set up for you and you can just plug in your own tasks and deadlines. First, open Asana and look at your sidebar where your current projects are listed. Find the section where your projects appear and move your mouse to the end of that list. You'll see a small plus sign icon next to the word project or near the project area. Click on that plus sign. This is how you start creating a brand new project in Asana. After you click the plus sign, a small menu will pop up with different options. From that menu, choose New Project. This tells Asana that you want to set up a full project space, not just a single task or something else. Once you click New Project, Asana will open a new window that shows you different ways to create your project. On this screen, Asana usually shows a few suggested templates right away, but we want to see all of the options. Look for a link or button that says View More. It's typically below the first set of templates. Click on View More so you can access the full template library. This gives you more tailored layouts designed for specific use cases. When the full list of templates appears, scroll until you see the category or template called Project Management. This template is designed specifically to help you manage projects from start to finish, with sections for different phases or task categories. Click on Project Management to open its preview. In the preview, you'll be able to see an example structure, including sections, sample tasks, and how the board or list is laid out. If this layout looks like it will work for your team, go ahead and click on the button labeled Use Template. When you click Use Template, Asana will prompt you to name your project, choose the team or workspace where it belongs, and sometimes set basic details like default views or privacy settings. After that, Asana will create your project with all the pre-built sections and example tasks ready for you to customize. From here, you can start renaming sections, adding your own tasks, assigning them to teammates, and setting due dates so your project becomes fully tailored to your workflow.